me about it.
No snow watch?
Well, we don't have enough for a snow watch.
Okay.
But we have one that is out. That's going to be Houston County.
Okay.
But y'all, other than that, you are back to school, baby.
Wow.
And not even dealing with anything in the way of delays. Yesterday, truly fantastic. And I will tell you up front, I did bust the forecast. We were looking at upper 60s. We ended up getting into the low 70s for a lot of us.
Oh,
and
wow.
so if it's going to be wrong, at least let it be on the warm side of things. Because it was just truly a lovely day all in all. Did you get out? No, you had to take a nap.
I went home and took a nap.
But do you feel refreshed this morning?
I do. So much better. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
I was outside back and forth, but it was Make It Monday, so I was making...
right. Okay, how many loaves did you make?
I did not make any sourdough loaves yesterday. Can you believe it? This is the first time in weeks, but I did make 4 batches of chocolate chip cookies and 4 batches of homemade hamburger helper.
Oh, okay.
So I'm taking some to Amelia coming in the next few days, and that's what she requested. That and a chicken pot pie. I was like, you're speaking my language. Those are my 2 favorite foods. So thank you. We'll just do some more. So I was in the kitchen doing that, but we still were making.
And the kids were outside though, enjoying the weather.
I kept saying, y'all, please close the door. They were having the biggest time, had the water hose going, and you know what? I'm going to let them do it again today because temperatures are going to head back into those 70s. Now, it's not going to be as sunny, but it will be just as warm before a cold front moves in. That cold front is going to take place overnight tonight and into tomorrow early morning. That's when we'll have those showers with us. And then by tomorrow lunchtime, everything's out of here. We'll have clear skies in place, and winds will be out of our north, but they're not going to be too abrupt. So as far as the chill factor, it's not going to be so extreme, which is some really good news. And as we make our way, though, into the following days, we're going to be close to average. Yes, typically this time of year, we're waking up 32, and we're ending up around 53. That is the pattern we're going to hone in as we make our way throughout the rest of our work week before we've got a soggy but needed rainy weekend ahead. Current temperature right now, 44 degrees here in Music City. And as I told you, yesterday we did get up to 71. We more than doubled the morning temperature by the afternoon. Over in Dixon, y'all are starting out 49 this morning. Incredibly mild out there and also very dry. Not seeing anything in the way of precipitation. Now, our next system is still to our north and off to the west. It eventually will move into our area. And as it does, clouds will be on a very steady increase as we go throughout the day. Temperatures still quite a mixed bag out there, and a lot of that has to do with just some snow, ice that is still out there, but thankfully not harming too much in the way of roadways, and that's why there's a slight variation. Right now, 33 in Bowling Green, 32 in Cookeville, McMinnville, you're at 39, and then you head your way into Camden, 50, and Clarksville coming in at 38 from that perspective. And remember, things do change. It's not the whole county is the same thing. It is varying from place to place, especially depending on do you have ice pack around your area, because when that melts, that is a cooling process. As we head away around 8:30 or so, you're going to notice a few more clouds out there, but I anticipate all of us to be in the 50s. But we're talking 60s before lunchtime and 70s right as you're having that lovely snack and hopefully outside. As we get closer to around 3 o'clock or so, that's when you're really going to know those clouds with us. And then this evening, that's when the rain showers do move in. Now, this is not going to fix the drought, but it will be helpful. And you'll notice we'll have some heavy, steady bands around 8, 9, 10 o'clock, areas along the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. That will then move its way down to the south and off to the east. So pushing across the plateau and then trailing behind it some heavier bands south of I-40 closer to the Alabama-Tennessee state line. Initially overnight, temperatures are still mild. As we get closer into tomorrow morning, we'll have a mixed bag of 30s to our north, 40s southward, and even possibly closer to 50 as you get along the Alabama-Tennessee state line. It's all about the timing and how fast the system does move out. Regardless, by the afternoon, beautiful bright skies. Numbers will be in the upper 40s and 50s with just the tiniest bit of a chill factor. It's going to be nice and comfortable. As we make our way into Thursday morning, we are clear overnight, so temperatures are going to tumble back into the 20s as well as the 30s. And as we head our way throughout the afternoon, you'll notice clouds increasing. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, and yes, I know we see the snow and kind of our heart starts to beat a little bit. This is not a big moisture situation, and it's going to hover closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. So tonight, going into tomorrow, as far as rain is concerned, we're looking around 1/4 to 1/2 inch. It will be breezy, and then winds are going to come in out of our north going into tomorrow. Fast forward with me going into Saturday and Sunday. That's when rain chances really start to ramp back up. Your 7-day forecast: highs today 73, tomorrow 55, clearing by the afternoon. We'll be 55 on Thursday. That little chance of precipitation to the north and off to the east. 54 Friday. We head into Saturday, Valentine's Day. It's going to be a little soggy out there, but needed rain. That's a gift to everybody. 60 degrees heading into Monday. Isn't it nice, Jennifer, without any snow on the 7th day?
Yeah, absolutely. And loving those warmer temperatures. Thanks, Nikki-Dee.